In this video, we're gonna be installing a floodlight just like the one that we have right here. I installed that one yesterday, and I thought the one I'm gonna install today, I'll make a video on it. The floodlight is from Costco, and I got it on sale for $19. How can you go wrong? How do they make money? I don't know. You have all the settings on here, the intensity of the light, how far you want the sensor to catch if a person or an object is moving, and then a lot of options. Let me show you where we're gonna install the second one. The kids are swimming. My nephews, my daughter, and my son. So we have a backyard here with an older floodlight. I turned electricity off for this line, and I just took one screw from the middle right here, and this thing came off. Now we're gonna have to disconnect the wires, and we're gonna install the new one. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we do not have any power. Okay, so no power. Now we can start taking off the old floodlight. Right, so black one is positive, white is neutral, and of course green is ground. Okay. The old floodlight is out. And now we're gonna unbox the new one. I already know what's inside the box because I did one yesterday, the one I just showed you. What we need to do is we need to install this plate. It comes with a plate. After we install this, then we can install the floodlight. So we're gonna strip the black one. So that's how the new plate looks like. We're gonna put a screw in the middle. It's gonna go here. But before we do so, let's connect our positive, neutral, and ground. All right, and for the most part, we are done. Positive connects with positive, neutral with neutral. Ground is already making a connection inside, and we connected the green wire. Now we just stuck all the wires inside. And now we need to put the big screw in the middle. I'm gonna use the same old screw. right, so it's in. We just have to put 2 screws and we are done. We need to put 1 screw from the top right and 1 from the top left. The screw is tight and the one on the right is tight. So let's position the lights and the sensor. We can position it up or down. Maybe we can do it halfway down and we can fix the adjustments. We want it to be bright. We want the sensor to be maybe mid-range. We have short, mid, long. So we're gonna have the light turn off after 3 minutes. If it sensed an object, it will turn on for 3 minutes, then back off. We can do it 1, 3, or 7. And we want it to start from sunset to sundown. And we want it on bright. Great. All right, so if everything is proper, the house is not gonna burn down.
Open the radio.
Okay, so my wife is gonna watch out for the light while I turn the circuit back on, and she's gonna tell me if any fire started, right? All right, so we are done, and look at this. As soon as I came close by, the whole side yard lit. Awesome, awesome.